Today I am reviewing Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2024 Mac Mini with the M4 Pro chip is a true definition of power in a small package. It's a desktop that breaks boundaries by combining stunning performance, remarkable efficiency, and the seamless Apple ecosystem, all within a compact, minimalist design that can fit almost anywhere on your desk. This year, Apple has taken everything we love about the Mac Mini and pushed it to the next level with the introduction of the M4 Pro chip, Apple's latest silicon design not just for speed, but for intelligence and creativity. Let's start with the performance, because that's where the new Mac Mini really shines. The M4 Pro features a 12-core CPU and a 16-core GPU, making it incredibly fast and responsive for everything you throw at it. Whether you're editing 4K videos, creating music, rendering 3D graphics, or multitasking across multiple heavy applications, every action feels instant and effortless. The M4 Pro chip is built on Apple's most advanced architecture yet, delivering improved performance per watt and even greater thermal efficiency, meaning you get desktop-grade power without any noise or bulk. In real-world use, the Mac Mini with M4 Pro handles demanding creative workflows with ease. Tasks that used to take minutes now complete in seconds. Video editors will love the smooth timeline playback in Final Cut Pro. Designers and animators working in apps like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Blender will notice how fluid and responsive everything feels. And because it's built around Apple Silicon, your favorite apps, including Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, and even iPhone and iPad apps, run incredibly fast and efficiently on macOS. Now, one of the most exciting features of the 2024 Mac Mini is that it's built for Apple Intelligence, Apple's new personal intelligence system that integrates deep learning and AI assistance directly into macOS. This means you can write, create, and get tasks done more easily than ever before, all while maintaining Apple's legendary commitment to privacy. None of your data leaves your device unless you choose to share it, so your creativity and personal information remain entirely yours. When it comes to design, Apple has managed to keep the Mac Mini's signature minimalist form, but make it even more versatile. At just 5 by 5 inches, it's incredibly small, yet packs a level of power and sophistication that easily rivals full-sized desktops. It looks clean and modern beside any monitor setup, whether it's on your office desk, studio workstation, or home entertainment center. Apple has also improved connectivity in this model. On the back, you'll find Thunderbolt ports, an HDMI port, and Gigabit Ethernet for high-speed networking. And for the first time, the 2024 Mac Mini includes front-facing USB-C ports and a headphone jack for easier access. This simple but practical design change makes a big difference for users who frequently connect accessories or external drives. Another key highlight is the configuration itself. This particular model comes with 24 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. That unified memory architecture allows the CPU, GPU, and neural engine to share the same pool of memory, making everything faster and more efficient than traditional RAM setups. Whether you're working on massive design files, running virtual machines, or handling multiple browser tabs, the experience remains buttery smooth. The storage speed is equally impressive. With Apple's advanced SSD technology, the Mac Mini boots up in seconds, apps launch instantly, and file transfers happen in a blink. It's not just about raw power, it's about consistent, seamless productivity that keeps up with your creativity. And let's not forget about AppleCare Plus. When you purchase this Mac Mini with AppleCare Plus, you're getting the peace of mind that comes with 3 years of coverage, including unlimited repairs for accidental damage, hardware protection, and 24/7 priority support directly from Apple experts. Whether it's a cracked display, a faulty component, or just needing quick technical help, AppleCare Plus ensures your device stays in top condition. The Mac Mini also maintains Apple's environmental promise. It's 100% carbon neutral, part of Apple's larger commitment to become completely carbon neutral across all products and operations by 2030. So, not only are you getting incredible technology, but you're also supporting a cleaner, greener future. In the end, The Apple 2024 Mac Mini with M4 Pro is more than just a desktop computer. It's a complete creative powerhouse in miniature form. It's perfect for professionals, students, creators, and anyone who wants serious performance without the bulk of a traditional tower. With its combination of intelligent design, cutting-edge performance, advanced connectivity, and eco-friendly engineering, it truly stands out as one of the best compact desktops on the market today.